Hello, this is Mailtron AI project for email analysis. We will start with login, create new account, then password. So first of all, here by login, we are using Firebase Auth for authentication, and for data storage, we are using PostgreSQL. So we will create account. Here we have created account. Now we go to the dashboard. Here, press its new account, so there will be nothing in dashboard. Here, it's rendered. Now there is nothing in our dashboard. So we will first go to the import nodes. Here we can use Gmail API to automatically retrieve email. But for currently there are a lot of emails in my account which cannot be processed at much scale. That's why we are using some provided CSV file that provided by. We will import that. This is the CSV file that's already provided. I will import it and upload data. It will go to the our backend server here. 20 records inserted, which will be recorded inserted into our Postgres database. And now, after that, the AI started their analysis one by one. Here you can see logs of our server. One by one, AI is processing that email and generating its analysis and storing it into a database which is PostgreSQL. We are using cloud version of Postgres, which is beyond here our user data. We just created one user here, then there is email data, which we have just imported to CSV files. Then here is its metadata like analysis done by AI. And here, auto-generated response created by AI. Here it's processing. It's done enough. Now, processing one by one. Until then, we can see processing in my email section. Here is the search functionality. We have filter functionality with lots of features such as sentiment, white filter, like neutral emails. If you only retrieve neutral emails, then we have negative emails. Here, negative emails, then positive. There are non-positive. Then we would go with urgent priorities of email, urgent emails. There are lots of urgent emails. Then non-urgent emails. So it is done by LLM AI, which is Gemini, which is processing one by one. Here we can see all AI processing is done complete, and you can see now in our dashboard. Here we can see the total emails are 20, which is provided. Then there are 12 urgent emails. Then emotional score, which is calculated. Then there is a sentiment distribution graph chart where we can see 8 are neutral emails and 12 are negative emails. Then categories of emails such as account issue, access billing issue. Then technical support like support query with 8 emails with support query. Then processing priorities of email. There are priority 1, which is highest priority. There are 12 mails with highest priority. 2 mails with means 6 mails with medium priority and 2 mails with low priority. Here we can see priority wise mails. There are priority 1, which is highest, and there are how much this 10 plus these 12 emails with high priority. We can see medium priority. We can see low priority. Then we can search with support query, billing inquiry. We can search with category as well. And now if we want to see its detail, like I want to see this email's detail, we can click on here. Here we see email, its sender, body, then its date, then analysis, like priority, urgent, sentiment is negative. Then AI automatically generates response from our side. Then we can copy it. Then what is its keyword like reset, password reset link. Here is summary, which you requirement. It wants to reset password functionality. Okay, then keywords cannot reset agency to look like this. In our dashboard, here we can see AI processing queues, which means if there are some email that are remain and not processed with AI, then we can see here button that will allow us to process remaining emails with AI, and all those data will be stored here. Then this is our system design. We are using Node.js, Express.js, Postgres, HTML, and Firebase all, and we are using Gemini LLM for process. So how it works is that first we log in, go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, we get received means processed email into dashboard. Then if we want to upload, we can upload some email. Here we can use Gemini to Google's Gmail API to retrieve emails and then save it to Postgres database. Then from that we will automatically send it to the Gemini LLM, which will process that emails and give a response and again store into database. Now in our mail section, which means here we can see the data which is coming from database, and from each email we can add for here. Like here we can see that it's coming from again database. So in loop, our server check if there is email which is not processed. If not processed with AI, then it will automatically get processed by AI, and then its result will be stored in database. It will be working in loop cycle. If there are some emails which remain to process, it will be automatically sent to Gemini 11. So yeah, this is how it works.